What if I told you that everything you know about digital advertising is about to change? The game in 2025 is no longer about who can spend the most, but who can spend the smartest. From AI-powered hyper-personalization to cost-efficient micro-influencers and predictive audience targeting, brands that fail to adapt will see the customer's acquisition costs skyrocket while competitors pull ahead. Look, I get it. Running ads today is frustrating. You put money into campaigns hoping for conversion, but instead you are stuck with a rising ad cost and declining returns. The rules are changing, and the businesses that win are the ones who master the next wave of digital advertising. For those of you new here, my name is Yann Bakebongo. I am a digital strategist helping brands scale their marketing in a data-driven world. I've worked with startups, e-commerce brands, and global businesses, optimizing their campaigns for maximum profitability. And today, I'm going to show you exactly how to dominate the digital advertising in 2025, slash your customer acquisition cost, and build long-term brand equity. In this video, we will cover the 3 game-changing strategies you need to master this year. So stick around until the end because I'll also break down the top-performing ad creatives and targeting hacks you can start using today. Customer acquisition costs have increased by 40% in the last 2 years. But 2025 brands are fighting back with AI-powered targeting, using predictive models that analyze over 200 behavioral signals in real time. AI-driven segmentation has increased conversion rates by 68%. Predictive bidding algorithms have reduced wasted ad spend by 42%. Hyper-local geofencing campaigns have lowered CAC for retail brands by 31%. And here's what's working right now. Platforms like Meta AI audience builders automatically create over 50 audience variations, predicting which segments will convert the best using first-party data. And the takeaway here, if you are still running generic campaigns without leveraging AI-driven audience segmentation, you are burning ad spend for no reason. Generic ads are dead. The best performing brands in 2025 tailor content for each platform using neuromarketing insights. So let's break it down. On TikTok and Instagram Reels, the first 0.8 seconds of a video determines whether people will keep watching or scroll. That's why viral videos start with bold statements, questions, or controversy. Unpolished and authentic content is now performing 3 times better than traditional studio quality ads. Why, you may ask? Because audiences crave raw and relatable content that feels natural to the platform. Meanwhile, LinkedIn's top-performing contents include ROI-driven carousels and swipeable benchmarks, which boost engagement by 170%. So what's working right now? Bold caption over high-contrast imagery have increased retention rates by 68%. AI-assisted scripting allows brands to produce high-converting videos in batches. So the takeaway here is that you need to tailor every ad to its platform. Because what works on Instagram won't necessarily work on LinkedIn. And what works on LinkedIn won't necessarily work on TikTok. One of the biggest mistakes brands make is chasing new customers instead of maximizing the value of existing ones. The real money isn't in the first purchase. It's in the repeat business. Here's what's working right now. AI-powered dynamic bundles have boosted repeat purchases by 41%. Neural network churn prediction models have improved retention by 89%. And personalized post-purchase sequences have increased upsells by 38%. Now here's how to do it. Between 22 and 36 hours after a cart abandonment, smart brands are retargeting hesitant customers with time-sensitive offers. This alone has lifted conversions by 53%. And between 9 and 14 days after purchase, brands are driving 38% higher cross-sell success just by offering complementary products at just the right time. And the key takeaway here is that brands using predictive retargeting models are actually seeing 57% higher return on ad spend compared to those running generic remarketing campaigns. And if you are not personalizing your retargeting based on real-time behaviors, you are leaving money on the table. So here's a quick recap. First, reduce your cost of acquisition with AI-driven segmentation and smart bidding. Next, create high-impact platform optimized short-form content. And third, maximize your LTV with predictive retargeting models. Now I want to hear from you. Drop a comment below and tell me, what's your biggest challenge with digital advertising right now? Let's talk about it. The future of digital marketing isn't just about running ads. It's about building sustainable brand equity while keeping acquisition costs low. And if you take action on these trends right now, you will be miles ahead of the competition in 2025. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.